Lockheed Martin, the maker of the F-35 Lightning II, has unveiled a bold new upgrade, an ambitious vision called the F-35 Ferrari. This isn't just a new paint job or a minor tweak, it's a dramatic leap forward for one of the world's most advanced fighter jets. The concept isn't about replacing the F-35 but about evolving it, transforming it into a faster, more powerful and more advanced fighter that can meet the challenges of tomorrow's battlefields. The Ferrari aims to bridge the gap between today's fifth-generation jets and the secretive, game-changing sixth-generation aircraft that are still under wraps. It's a crucial step in keeping air forces ahead of the curve. The world's air combat landscape is changing at breakneck speed. Adversaries are developing advanced aircraft, sophisticated air defenses and new tactics that threaten to erode the F-35's edge. Building a brand new jet from scratch is incredibly costly and can take decades. That's why Lockheed Martin proposes supercharging the proven F-35 with next-generation technology, delivering more capability faster. The result? A smarter, more lethal and more connected aircraft. One that can outthink, outmaneuver and outfight its rivals, all at a fraction of the cost and time of a clean-sheet design. This isn't a minor update. It's a comprehensive overhaul of the F-35's core systems, from its sensors and avionics to its engines and stealth features. Imagine a familiar airframe, but now with the heart of a Formula One engine, futuristic sensors that see farther and clearer, and near invisibility to enemy radar. It's a blend of speed, stealth, and intelligence. The upgraded F-35 would thrive in the world's most dangerous airspace, giving pilots the edge to complete their missions and return home safely, even in the face of the toughest threats. It's a proactive move to keep the F-35 dominant for decades to come, ensuring it remains the backbone of Allied air power. With thousands of F-35s planned or already in service, offering a major upgrade secures the production line and appeals to both current and future customers around the globe. Air forces can modernize with cutting-edge tech, without the massive cost, risk and delays of developing a brand new jet from the ground up. The Ferrari concept ensures the F-35 remains relevant, dominant, and ready for whatever the future holds. It's a strategic, cost-effective evolution for global air power, allowing nations to stay ahead of emerging threats. For Lockheed Martin, it's also a smart business move, keeping the F-35 at the center of Allied air forces and ensuring continued innovation. The Ferrari offers a clear, future-proof upgrade path for nations deeply invested in the F-35 program, strengthening alliances and interoperability. It's about staying ahead, not just keeping up, ensuring that Allied pilots always have the technological advantage. The F-35 Ferrari is designed to lead the skies well into the future, setting a new standard for what a fighter jet can achieve. Stealth is the F-35's signature, the defining trait that sets it apart from every other fighter in the sky. Now, the new Ferrari variant is set to push the boundaries of stealth technology even further, taking what was once cutting edge and making it the new baseline. Engineers are developing next-generation radar-absorbent materials and ultra-advanced coatings, making the jet even harder to detect by enemy radar systems. Subtle but crucial changes to the jet's shape and structure will further shrink its radar cross-section, making it nearly impossible to track. Drawing inspiration from the top-secret NGAD program, the Ferrari will be stealthier than ever, evading both traditional and low-frequency radars that are designed to spot even the most elusive aircraft. Managing electronic emissions is key. Advanced onboard systems will allow the jet to see and gather intelligence without ever giving away its own position. Improved engine cooling and exhaust management will dramatically reduce the jet's infrared signature, making it much harder for heat-seeking missiles and sensors to lock on. More durable stealth coatings mean less time in the hangar and more time in the air, increasing mission readiness and reducing maintenance costs. The result is a jet that's nearly invisible to enemy sensors, more reliable than ever, and always ready to answer the call for combat. These upgrades ensure the F-35 Ferrari can not only survive but dominate in the world's most contested and dangerous airspace, where every advantage counts. It's not just about hiding, it's about outsmarting every threat, staying one step ahead of enemy defenses, and controlling the skies. The Ferrari will set a new standard for stealth in the fighter world, raising the bar for what's possible in aerial warfare. This is the next leap in staying unseen, untouchable, and always ready to strike when it matters most. The F-35 is already a flying sensor hub, packed with some of the most advanced avionics and data-gathering technology ever put in the sky. But the Ferrari upgrade will take situational awareness to an entirely new level, transforming the way pilots perceive and control the battle space. A new, more powerful AESA radar will see farther than ever before, track more targets simultaneously, and jam enemy systems with greater precision and speed. Enhanced infrared cameras will give pilots a seamless 360-degree view of their surroundings, day or night, detecting threats from much greater distances, even through thick clouds, darkness, or battlefield smoke. All this data will be fused by a lightning-fast new core processor, instantly giving the pilot a single, clear, and comprehensive picture of the entire battlefield. Artificial intelligence will help identify threats, prioritize targets, and filter out distractions, so pilots can focus on what matters most. The AI will even suggest tactics in real time, adapting to changing situations and enemy maneuvers as they unfold. The pilot becomes a true battle manager, orchestrating the fight from the cockpit, not just flying the jet. The Ferrari will predict enemy moves before they happen, and spot hidden dangers like stealthy missiles or camouflaged threats, giving pilots a decisive edge in any engagement. This is more than just seeing. It's about understanding, anticipating, and dominating the fight from start to finish. The F-35 Ferrari will turn information into instant action, allowing pilots to strike or evade in the blink of an eye. In the sky, knowledge is power, and with the Ferrari, pilots will have more information, more control, and more confidence than anyone else. Firepower defines a fighter, and the Ferrari will pack more punch than ever. Redesigned weapons bays will boost internal missile capacity from 4 to 6, more shots, more survivability. New, compact missiles and advanced long-range weapons like the AIM 260 JTM will let the Ferrari strike first and from farther away. The jet will also carry smarter, smaller bombs for precision ground attacks, and could even launch hypersonic missiles in the future. All this while staying stealthy, thanks to internal carriage. The Ferrari can take on more targets per mission, increasing its impact in any conflict. It's about overwhelming the enemy before they even know you're there. The combination of stealth and firepower makes the Ferrari a true game-changer. Deep strikes, air superiority, and survivability, all in one package. The F-35 Ferrari will be the most versatile and lethal F-35 yet. At the heart of the Ferrari is a revolutionary adaptive cycle engine. This engine delivers more power, better fuel efficiency, and crucially, more electrical output for advanced systems. It adapts in flight, max power for combat, max efficiency for cruising. Enhanced cooling solves the F-35's biggest upgrade bottleneck, keeping new electronics running smoothly. The result, greater range, longer missions, and superior acceleration and agility. Alongside the engine, a new open systems electronics architecture means upgrades are fast and easy, like swapping out computer parts. The Ferrari will stay at the cutting edge for decades, never falling behind. More power, more flexibility, and future-proof design. The F-35 Ferrari is built to evolve as technology advances. It's a fighter that grows stronger with every upgrade. The Ferrari isn't just about hardware, it's a leap toward autonomy. Advanced AI will act as a digital co-pilot, handling complex tasks and freeing the pilot to focus on strategy. The jet could fly dangerous missions solo, or act as a loyal wingman controlled by a human pilot. This human-machine teaming multiplies firepower and sensor coverage, opening new tactical possibilities. The Ferrari lays the groundwork for pilot-optional flight, blending manned and unmanned operations. AI-driven autonomy comes from NGAD research, making the F-35 smarter and more adaptable. The system is designed for reliability and security, even if communications are lost. The Ferrari is a crucial step toward a future where manned and unmanned jets fight side by side. It's the bridge to the next era of air combat. The Ferrari is a smart investment in air dominance. Developing a brand new 6th-generation jet is slow and astronomically expensive. Upgrading the F-35 platform is faster and far more affordable, using existing factories and supply chains. The Ferrari focuses on internal upgrades, engine, sensors, electronics, delivering near 6th-gen capability at a fraction of the cost. This lets air forces buy more advanced jets, not just a handful of ultra-expensive NGAD fighters. The result is a balanced fleet, a few elite NGAD jets for the toughest missions, and a large force of Ferrari F-35s for everything else. Quantity matters in air combat, and the Ferrari delivers it without breaking the bank. It's a realistic, sustainable path to future air power. The F-35 Ferrari is designed to complement, not replace, the next generation. The F-35 Ferrari borrows heavily from the NGAD program's breakthroughs. The adaptive cycle engine, developed for NGAD, gives the Ferrari next-gen power and cooling. Advanced stealth materials and manufacturing techniques from NGAD make the jet even harder to detect. Electronics, data fusion, and AI software are all inspired by NGAD's combat cloud vision. The Ferrari is built to connect seamlessly with NGAD fighters and their drone wingmen. This technology transfer keeps the F-35 relevant in the 2030s and beyond. The Ferrari isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap forward, powered by tomorrow's tech. It ensures the F-35 remains a core part of the future Air Force. The F-35 Ferrari could become a global phenomenon. The US military is the obvious first customer, modernizing its massive fleet to counter rising threats. Key allies like the UK, Australia, Japan, and South Korea will want the upgrade to stay ahead in their regions. The Ferrari could also open doors in the Middle East, offering advanced capability to wealthy nations seeking a military edge. India, looking to modernize its air force, may find the Ferrari a compelling choice against regional rivals. For many countries, the Ferrari offers top-tier performance and a clear upgrade path. It's not just a fighter, it's a strategic tool for global partnerships. The F-35 Ferrari is poised to lead the world's skies for years to come.